In primetime news tonight, government tables $803.2 billion budget. New legislation announced. Enhanced Security Measures Act to tackle crime. And
that we will go in and begin the process of restoring their trust and confidence in these institutions.
Energy Minister FEB Williams on her new portfolio.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, Proven Investments has increased its stake in Dream Entertainment. We'll tell you by how much and what that actually means now for Dream Entertainment in the business day.
Thank you, Herman. From Herman, we go to Karen at the Sports Desk.
Thanks, Archie. Well, in part 2 of a TVJ sports report on sexual abuse and other forms of abuse of student athletes, we look to what the local governing bodies are saying about the matter. You don't want to miss it.
There is also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what do you think new laws are needed to help fight crime? Why or why not?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.